Hello, everyone. Imagine a health problem that affects millions of people, but most don't even know they have it. No pain, no warning signs, just silent damage happening inside your body day after day. This is hypertension or high blood pressure. And it's called the silent killer for a very good reason. Today, we're going to understand what hypertension does to your body, why it's so dangerous, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself before it's too late. Let's begin. What is hypertension? First, let's understand what hypertension actually is. Your heart pumps blood through tubes called arteries. This blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. When the pressure inside these arteries stays too high for a long time, we call it hypertension. Think of it like a garden hose. If you turn the water pressure too high for too long, what happens? The hose gets damaged. The same thing happens to your blood vessels when pressure remains high. The scary part? Most people feel completely normal, no headache, no chest pain, nothing. That's why millions walk around with dangerously high blood pressure without knowing it, until something terrible happens. How hypertension damages your body. So what exactly happens inside your body when blood pressure stays high? The arteries. Your arteries are like flexible tubes. But when pressure is constantly high, the inner lining gets damaged. The walls become thick and stiff. The passage narrows. Small cracks appear. Fatty deposits start building up like rust in old pipes. This makes it harder for blood to flow through, and your organs start suffering. The heart. Your heart now has to work much harder to push blood through these damaged, narrow arteries. It's like trying to pump water through a blocked pipe. The heart muscle gets thicker and bigger. This is called left ventricular hypertrophy. At first, this seems helpful, but soon the heart becomes tired and stiff. It can't pump properly anymore. This leads to heart failure. The kidneys. Your kidneys filter waste from your blood using tiny blood vessels. High pressure damages these delicate vessels. The kidneys can't clean your blood properly anymore. Waste products build up. Eventually, the kidneys fail completely, and you need dialysis, a machine that does the work your kidneys can't do anymore. The brain. Your brain needs constant blood supply, but hypertension weakens the blood vessels in your brain. Some vessels get blocked by clots, others burst and bleed. When this happens, it's called a stroke. Brain cells die. You might lose the ability to move, speak, or even think clearly. The eyes. Even your eyes aren't safe. The tiny blood vessels in your retina, the part of your eye that helps you see, get damaged. They become narrow, leak blood, or burst. This causes blurred vision and, in severe cases, permanent blindness. All of this just from high blood pressure. The serious complications. Let me tell you about the major complications that happen when hypertension goes uncontrolled. Heart attacks. When arteries that supply your heart get blocked, blood can't reach the heart muscle. This is a heart attack. Thousands die from this every year, and hypertension is one of the biggest causes. Stroke. We already mentioned stroke, but it's worth repeating. Stroke is the leading cause of disability worldwide. Some people never walk again, some can't speak, some lose their memory, and many don't survive. Kidney failure. Once your kidneys fail, you need dialysis multiple times every week. Imagine spending hours sitting in a hospital, connected to a machine, just to stay alive. This becomes your life. Other problems. High blood pressure also causes leg pain from poor blood flow, called peripheral artery disease. It leads to memory loss and dementia in older adults. And for pregnant women, it can cause a dangerous condition called preeclampsia that threatens both mother and baby. the hidden impact. But hypertension doesn't just hurt the person who has it, it affects the entire family. Imagine your father has a stroke. Now he needs constant care. Your mother becomes exhausted looking after him. Medical bills pile up. Children have to help instead of focusing on school. Social life stops. Everyone's happiness is affected. And here's the worst part. All of this could have been prevented. Prevented with simple steps. Prevented with awareness. Prevented with early action. Why early control matters. This is why early control of blood pressure is so important. Once your organs are damaged, there's no going back. A stroke victim may never fully recover. Kidney failure means lifelong dialysis. Blindness is permanent, but if you control your blood pressure now, before damage happens, you can live a normal, healthy, long life. Think about it. A few simple changes today can save you years of suffering tomorrow. The choice is yours. How to prevent and control? So what should you do? First, get checked regularly. Visit your doctor. Check your blood pressure. Many people discover they have hypertension only during a routine checkup. Early detection saves lives. Second, change your lifestyle. Eat healthy food. More fruits, vegetables, nuts, and fish. Less salt, less oil, less junk food. Exercise regularly. Even 30 minutes of walking every day makes a huge difference. Lose weight if you're overweight. Extra weight puts extra pressure on your heart. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. Both directly raise your blood pressure. Manage stress. Try meditation, yoga, or simply spending time doing things you love. Third, take your medicines. If your doctor prescribes blood pressure medication, take it regularly. Don't skip doses. These medicines protect your organs from damage. Fourth, monitor at home. Consider buying a home blood pressure monitor. Check your readings and keep a record. This helps your doctor adjust treatment if needed. Conclusion. Let me summarize. Hypertension damages your heart, brain, kidneys, and eyes. Complications include heart attacks, strokes, kidney failure, and blindness. Early detection prevents irreversible damage. Lifestyle changes and medication can control blood pressure. Hypertension is manageable, not unbeatable. Remember these 3 words: check, control, conquer. Check your blood pressure regularly, control it through lifestyle and medicine. Conquer hypertension before it conquers you. If you found this video helpful, then like, subscribe, and share the video. Your health is in your hands. Take action today. Our next video is about the hypertension during pregnancy. Share this video with your family and friends because awareness saves lives. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy,